Are you tired of working from your bedroom or a cramped home office? Imagine taking your next Zoom call with an ocean view or working from a charming European cafe instead of a dull white wall. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 5 countries to move to in 2025 if you want to live, work, and thrive abroad while working remotely. These destinations offer everything from low costs of living to fast internet, great communities, and easy visa options. Right after this intro. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Portugal has become one of Europe's top destinations for remote workers and digital nomads. It's easy to see why. The average cost of living in Lisbon is around $1,700 per month for a single person, and it's even cheaper if you live in Porto or the Algarve region. The country also offers fast and reliable internet, with average speeds around 120 megabits per second, making it perfect for online work. Portugal offers 2 excellent visa options: the D7 passive income visa and the digital nomad visa, both of which are relatively easy to apply for. As a bonus, Portugal gives you easy access to other European countries, just a short flight to Paris, Rome, or Amsterdam, and its beaches and historical towns are truly breathtaking. Thailand has long been a favorite for digital nomads, and it continues to be one of the best countries for remote workers in 2025. You can live comfortably in Chiang Mai for around $1,200 per month, or in Bangkok for about $1,500. Both cities offer a vibrant culture, delicious street food, and a welcoming community of fellow nomads. Thailand has recently launched its long-term resident (LTR) visa, which includes specific options for remote workers and digital nomads. Let's say you're earning $3,000 per month remotely. In Thailand, you could easily live well, travel, and still save over $1,000 monthly, something that's nearly impossible in Western cities. Mexico is a top choice for remote workers in 2025 thanks to its affordable living costs, strong internet, and proximity to the US and Canada. Living in Mexico City costs around $1,500 per month, while more laid-back places like Oaxaca or Mérida can be even cheaper. The country has excellent internet in major cities and beach towns that cater to remote workers. You can stay in Mexico for up to 180 days on a tourist visa, and if you're planning to stay longer, consider applying for the temporary resident visa. Picture this: working from a rooftop cafe in Playa del Carmen, spending weekends at the beach, and enjoying some of the world's best street food for just a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere. Georgia is quickly becoming a rising star among digital nomad destinations, and for good reason. The cost of living in Tbilisi averages about $1,000 per month, making it one of the most affordable capital cities in Europe. The country allows citizens from over 90 countries to stay visa-free for up to 360 days. Internet speeds are fast and reliable, and the cafe and co-working scene is growing steadily. If you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, Georgia's 1% tax rate for small businesses under its small business status is a major bonus. Germany might not be the cheapest destination on this list, but it's one of the best countries for building a long-term expat lifestyle. Living in Berlin costs around $2,200 per month, but you gain access to one of the world's most advanced infrastructures, fast public transport, and a global business hub. Germany offers the freelance visa, Freiberufler visa, which is perfect for professionals working in fields like design, tech, writing, or consulting. If you're planning to grow your career, start a business, or build a life in Europe with legal protections and structure, Germany is a fantastic choice. Don't just chase the cheapest destination. Choose a country that fits your lifestyle, visa needs, and long-term goals. Let us know in the comments. Which country are you considering moving to in 2025? We love reading and replying to your experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our guides to expat life, working abroad, and travel in 2025.